Hello, my name is Miriam Karagulova. I'm a teacher of Asian Medical Institute. Asian Medical Institute is a single institute in Kyrgyzstan which is free of corruption. In our institute, your marks will fully reflect your real knowledges. Our institute is aimed on providing high-quality education because our teachers are speaking English fluently and trying to teach their subjects on high level.
Lesson number 5. Agreement of adjective with noun. In this lesson, we will discuss with you what is an agreement, steps for making agreement, and structure of anatomical terms including adjective. What is noun?
As you know, noun is a part of speech which is used to name things, objects, places. As well as we are studying medicine, our nouns will name structures of human body. Look at the example of Latin nouns. Costa, rib, ductus, duct, musculus, muscle, facies, surface, cavum, cavity, neuron, neuron, and magister, teacher.
What is adjective?
Adjective is a part of speech which is used to describe qualities of noun. See examples of Latin adjectives: albus, white, dexter, right, brevis, brief, and costalis, coastal.
Latin noun and adjective both have three grammatical categories: category of number, category of gender, and category of case. Grammatical categories. Let's compare. Latin nouns can be divided into masculinum, femininum, and neutrum gender groups. Example: ductus, us, masculinum group; costa, a, femininum group; and cavum, neutrum group. Latin adjective can have masculinum, femininum, and neutrum gender forms. Example: longus, us, masculinum form; longa, a, femininum form; longum, neutrum form. Latin nouns can have singularis or pluralis forms. Adjectives also can have singularis or pluralis forms. Latin nouns can be used in nominativus or genitivus case forms. Adjectives also can be used in nominativus or genitivus case forms. Agreement means to be in the same number, gender, and case. According to principles of term building of Latin, adjective depends on noun and must be in the same gender, number, and case as noun. Steps for making agreement of adjective with noun. Step number 1. Indicate gender, number, and case of noun. Step number 2. Indicate gender, number, and case of adjective. Step number 3. Change gender, number, and case of adjective according noun. Let's make agreement of adjective with noun. Our medical term will be made of noun costa and adjective verus. First step is to indicate gender of noun costa, ending a, femininum. Second step, indicate gender of adjective verus, ending us, masculinum. According to the rules of making agreement, we will change gender of adjective according to noun. And our term will be costa vera. Noun femininum, adjective also femininum. Next example. Noun musculus plus adjective longus. First, we indicate gender of noun. Musculus, ending us, masculinum. Then indicate gender of adjective. Longus, ending us, masculinum. According to the rules of making agreement, adjective must be same gender as noun. So in this case, our term will be musculus longus. Noun masculinum, adjective also masculinum. Next example, ligamentum plus transversus. First, indicate gender of noun. Ligamentum, ending neutrum. Then indicate gender of adjective. Transversus, ending us, masculinum. According to the rules of making agreement, we change gender of adjective according to noun. And our term will be ligamentum transversum. Noun neutrum, adjective also neutrum. Structure of anatomical terms containing adjective can be of two structures. First type is agreed attribute. The terms of agreed attribute structure contain noun and adjective being in same gender, number and case form. These type of terms are used to describe anatomical structures. Look at the examples. Sulcus palatinus. Noun masculinum, adjective also masculinum. Next example, sulcus palatinus magnus. Noun masculinum and two adjectives are also masculinum. Next example, sulci palatini. Noun genitivus, adjective also genitivus. Second type of terms, non-agreed attribute. The term of non-agreed attribute structure contains two or more nouns being in different gender and different case form. These type of terms used to show relation of one anatomical structure to another. See examples. Fossa cranii. Here we have two nouns, one nominativus, second genitivus. Next example, fossa cranii media. In this term we have two nouns, one of them is nominativus form, second is genitivus form, and one adjective in nominativus form.
Thank you for attention. See you next class. Goodbye.